Today, I want to talk to you about field notes and why I'm crazy about them. So, 3 months ago, I was doing my research. It's because my memory has gone downhill. I was struggling remembering some things, and it's not even the memories that I had when I was younger, but it's more of like, okay, what just happened during the meeting? Or what did we just talk about? Okay, what day was my appointment? So I was struggling so hard. So I was doing some research on how to increase my memory retention. And that's when I found out all about these notebooks. And for some reason, there's a craze going on right now with field notes, pocket notebooks, journaling. And I want to go back to my roots. So for those of you who doesn't know or who didn't know, when I was growing up, I used to journal a lot. Now, if you ask me where my journal is, I don't know because I was a kid and we moved a lot. So I can't tell you what happened to them, but I'm pretty sure if I find it, there would be some cool, nice things written on there. Probably not spelled right, but I tried. So now I want to tell you how field notes, notebooks in general, is now impacting my life. If you want to know, if you So let's get started.
Let's start with the Expedition Pack. This one is amazing because it's not just stylish, it's also built to last. The cover is waterproof and tear-proof, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or harsh conditions. Plus, it features a dotted line format, which is great for bullet journaling or sketching. Just look at this glossy surface. It's durable and the pages are tough too. Whether you're jotting down quick notes or writing a detailed journal entry, you know it can withstand the elements. Next, let's talk about the Vintage Edition. This one has a cream-colored cover and dotted lines, giving it a classic yet fresh feel. What I love most about the Vintage Edition is that it's a perforated notebook, so you can tear out pages cleanly without any hassle. It's great for those who like to keep their pages organized or share their notes. Now let's look at the East Fork editions. These aren't just different colors, they each have unique designs on the back. The blue edition features an hourglass and moon. The red one has a jellyfish, and the green one shows a snake and flower. It's a cool artistic touch that adds character to each notebook. Now the logbook. This one's special because it's great for tracking any kind of entries. I actually use this one for book reviews. With 26 entries, you can document each book you read, and the back pocket is perfect for holding little notes or bookmarks. Here's the datebook. Unlike most datebooks, this one is undated, which means you can start it at any time. The blue lines and staple give it a nice clean look. I actually use this one as a planner. You can jot down your daily tasks, appointments, and goals without worrying about the constraints of dated format. Next up, we've got the ledger book. This is a perfect financial record-keeping book. With its green lines and green staple, it's subtle yet professional. I use this one to track my finances, but you could also use it for budgeting or project management. Now let's talk about the pitch black notebook. This was a regular dotted version, but I just love the deep black cover. It's slick and elegant, and it's great for anyone who loves bullet journaling, sketching, or even keeping a simple daily log. And finally, we have the Streetscape edition. These are sketchbooks that come in different city editions. New York City, Miami, Chicago, and Los Angeles. I love the concept behind this. Whether you're an artist or just someone who wants to capture the essence of these cities, these editions are a unique addition to any collection.
So why do I love field notes so much? Here are the 4 reasons why I love them and why you should too.
First, the quality. These notebooks are built to last. From waterproof and tear-proof covers to smooth pages, Field Notes ensures durability and style. Second, they're versatile. Whether you're using them for journaling, planning, or even creative projects like book reviews or financial tracking, they can handle it all. Whether you like classic styles or artistic city editions, there's a Field Notes notebook for everyone. And lastly, the variety. With so many editions to choose from, you're bound to find the perfect notebook that fits your needs and styles. So, that's a wrap up on my Field Notes collection.
I'm hoping that you enjoyed my review and that you maybe found your next notebook. If you want to know ways on how to fill up those empty pages, let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Second reason prevents me from doing doom scrolling, It prevents me from what my people say, doom scrolling. Stronger memory connection, better than a digital approach. Writing it down makes me remember things better than using a digital system. Writing it down makes me remember things easier compared to when I use the digital approach using a notes app on my phone.